Are you hijacked by sugar? Are you trying to get healthy but find yourself struggling? Do you eat better but still feel the same and the scale is just not moving? The culprit could be added refined sugar. The American Heart Association states that Americans consume 77 grams of sugar daily. Now that's 3 times the amount suggested for women. The recommended amount for women is 24 grams, which equals 6 teaspoons per day, and 36 grams for men, which equals 9 teaspoons daily. Now the 77 grams come out to be 60 pounds of added sugar yearly. This picture of me is holding 60 pounds of sugar. And you know what? It's more disheartening for our children. American kids consume 81 grams per sugar per day and 65 pounds per year. And children consume 30 gallons of additional sugar from beverages alone. And the American Heart Association says that's enough to fill a bathtub. Can you picture that? So my question to you is, are you hijacked by sugar? Let me ask you this. Do you stop at your favorite coffee house for a double espresso latte each morning? Or around 3 or 4 p.m. every day, do you have an intense need for something sweet? Or is a meal not complete if you don't have dessert? Whether you're feeling down or anxious, does chocolate help you to get through it? Answering yes to any of those questions indicate that you may have a problem with sugar, added sugar. Now, not all sugar is bad. After all, our bodies need natural sugar from fruits and veggies to give us energy and fuel. The body uses sugar and starches from carbohydrates to supply glucose to the brain and provide energy to feed all of our cells in our body. Now, eating too much added sugar negatively impacts your body, and studies show it is more addictive than heroin and cocaine. You know, sugar releases the feel-good hormone, serotonin and dopamine, making your body think it's getting rewarded. But instead, it is causing you to want more and more, so you become addicted. Now, if this is you, you need to face it. You are in an unhealthy relationship. It's toxic, and it's time to break it off. Sometimes breaking up is hard to do, especially when you think you're in love. But all the signs says it's not. So here's this: heart disease, diabetes, weight gain and obesity, mood swings, brain fog, liver disease, dental issues, aging skin, cancer, acne, hair loss and hair thinning, bloating and inflammation, and gut issues says it's unhealthy. So let's talk a little bit about gut issues. Do you know that most sugar cravings or sweet tooth originate in the gut? It does. An overgrowth of bad bacteria in your body can make you fiercely crave the sweet stuff. So let me tell you how it works. Your body is home to a community of microorganisms. Some are good and very useful for your health, and some are bad and can cause disease when they grow and thrive. Now, if your good bacteria are outnumbered, the bad bacteria will flourish and take over your gut, your brain, and vagus nerve. The bad bacteria feed on sugar and tell your brain it needs more and more. And you, as the host, unknowingly receive these signals from your brain, and you begin to feed the monster within. Now, this is a fact, not a joke. Even if you think you don't eat a lot of sugar, I am here to tell you that it is hidden in plain sight. A study at the University of California says that added sugar is hidden in 74% of our packaged foods in our supermarkets. So from salad dressings, pasta sauces, protein bars, cereal, juices, and yogurt, all of it has extra stuff in it. And get this, one 12-ounce can of soda has 39 grams of sugar. That's more than the daily amount. So how do you fix this? How do you kick an unhealthy sugar habit? The first thing is to start reading the labels on your food products. Now, sugar goes by many names, 61 to be exact. Some of the most common names are high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, barley malt, dextrose, maltose, rice syrup, molasses, and even honey. The second would be to change your diet. Now, eating a well-rounded diet with more green leafy veggies and natural fruit can help. The third way would be to hydrate your body more and drink more filtered water, because sometimes dehydration is disguised as hunger and cravings. And the fourth way is to get a gut health test. You know, bad bugs could be controlling your brain and your digestive system, and a gut health test is a simple way for you to know what type of microorganisms you have living in your body. What would happen if you stop eating sugar for a week or two? Well, if you stop eating sugar for at least 1 to 2 weeks, the noticeable changes in your body, your mood, and your life would be incredible. So here's what can happen if you stop eating sugar for 1 to 2 weeks. And actually a little longer than that, it'll be even better. But here's what can happen in the first 1 to 2 weeks. Better brain power and mental clarity, because refined sugar alters your brain. 2, your skin will look better. Sugar deforms collagen and elastin. And 3, you will have more energy. 4, you'll sleep better. 5, you'll be less hungry. 6, you'll lose belly fat. 7, your mental health and mood will improve. And 8, your desire for sugar will disappear. Now, if you're ready to commit to change, if you're ready to get healthy, and if you are ready to be immune, strong to fight off whatever virus come your way, you will need to kick your sugar habit. So what I'd like for you to do is join me in my 21-day Kick Your Sugar Habit program. So for 21 days, I will give you the ammunition you need to fight this addiction. It's 21 days of healthy eating. It's 21 days of mind-changing science. And it's 21 days with me helping you to get healthy. So why 21 days? It's not because science says it takes 21 days to kick a habit, because I'm not sure about that. I chose 21 days because I have so much to share with you. So it takes 21 days for me to break it down for you so it is not overwhelming to you. So come on, let's do this. I used to be a sugar fiend myself. That's why I know this program so well. So you should see all the information above, and you should see it in the description box. We are starting very soon in the next couple of days. Please click that link and join me to help you get better, to help you lose weight, to help you have better mental clarity, to help you have a better mood overall, and to help your overall health. I'm right here waiting for you. I'll see you there.